What is a cloud solutions architect?
A cloud solutions architect designs and manages scalable, reliable cloud infrastructure for organizations. They work with cloud services like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, helping businesses migrate, build, and optimize applications in the cloud. Their role requires a blend of technical knowledge, problem-solving skills, and the ability to communicate complex ideas to diverse teams.
Key skills for cloud architects.
Success in this field requires both technical and soft skills. Mastery of cloud platforms, networking, security principles, and programming is essential. Expertise in designing cloud architectures, understanding DevOps practices, and implementing automation will set you apart. Strong communication, analytical thinking, and project management abilities help architects translate business needs into workable cloud solutions.
Education and foundational knowledge.
A background in information technology or computer science is highly recommended. Many cloud architects have bachelor's degrees, but some succeed through self-study and relevant experience. Start by learning networking fundamentals, system administration, virtualization, and cloud computing concepts. Building a solid foundation makes it easier to progress into specialized cloud technologies.
Certifications to boost your career.
Industry-recognized certifications are highly valued in the cloud field. Popular options include AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect Expert, and Google Professional Cloud Architect. These certifications validate your technical expertise and understanding of cloud architecture, giving you a competitive edge and increasing your career prospects.
Gaining experience and advancing.
Hands-on experience with cloud platforms is crucial. Start with internships, entry-level IT jobs, or cloud engineering roles. Work on real-world projects, contribute to open source, or set up your own cloud environments to build practical skills. As you gain experience, seek opportunities to lead projects, specialize in areas like security or data, and keep learning about emerging cloud technologies.